Good day everyone. Today we will be tackling the differentiation of logarithmic functions.
Differentiation is the process of finding the rate at which a function changes. It gives the slope of the tangent line to the curve of the function at a given point. Logarithmic function represent the exponent to which the base b must be raised to produce the value.
Trigonometric function are real function which relate an angle of right angle triangle the ratios of two side lengths.
If y is equals to ln x, then d over dx ln x is equals to 1 over x. If u is the differentiable function of x, then according to the chain rule, d over dx ln u is equals to 1 over u times du over dx.
So, meron pa tayong example number 1. Find the derivative of y is equals to ln of times 24x. So, dito po, yung ano po natin, yung u po natin is yung 24. Tapos, so, vy over dx is equals to 1 over 24x times 3 over dx times 24x. So, dito po, 1 over 24x times 24. Tapos po, 1 times 24. So, magiging 24 over 24x. So, 24x divided by 24 divided by 24x is equals to 1 over x.
So another example is find the derivative of y is equal to ln x squared. So i-apply natin tong formula na to dito. So given na yung 1 over yung u natin, which is yung nandito sa parenthesis, which is x squared, 1 over x squared times the derivative of u, which is derivative of x squared. So, kunin natin yung derivative nito. Bring down this 1 over x squared times, yung derivative ng x squared is 2x, and ita-times mo yung 2x dito sa 1 over x squared. So, ang magiging sagot ay 2x over x squared. Pero, ifo-factor muna natin siya para ma-cancel out natin, para ma-simplify. So, yung 2x over x squared magiging 2x over x times x. Tapos makakancel yung x sa taas at sa baba. At ang magiging final answer is 2 over x.
Now let us now move to this. So d over dx log base b x is equals to 1x ln b. If u is differentiable function of x, then according to the chain rule, d over dx log base b u is equals to 1u ln b times du over dx. Now, for our first example, is y is equals to log base 4, 6x over 5 plus 8. So, kagaya nga yung ginawa nila kanina, so, is constant na yung 1. So, ibababa lang natin ito si u natin. Si u natin is 6x raised to 5 plus 8. Tapos, si b naman natin is c log 4. So, yung nakalagay dito sa baba is 1 over 6x raised to 5 plus 8 ln x 4 times 6 times 6 6x over 5 ay raised to 5 plus 8. Ngayon, i-ano natin siya. I-derive natin lang dito. I-derive natin to. So, ito, ibababa natin si, si 5. So, 6 times 5 is 30. Tapos, mawawala na to si 8 kasi si 8 is constant. Ayan. So, ito na yung magiging ano natin. Nandito tayo sa part. So, 1 is over to 6x raised to 5 plus 8 and the next 4 times 30x raised to 4. Ngayon, si 1, ito times natin siya sa 30x raised to 4. So, magiging ano siya? 30x raised to 4 over 6x raised to 5 plus 8 ln x 4. Or, pwede na ito nasagot natin, or pwede rin siya yung ganito. 30x raised to 4 over 6x raised to 5 ln x ay ln 4 plus 8 ln 4. Kasi paano natin, ang tanong, paano natin siya nakuha itong second na sagot? Tandaan, pwede na itong sagot na to or pwede na itong sagot na to. Kasi yung iba, yung ginagawa nila, itong 4 dinidistribute pa nila dito sa sa 6x raised to 5 tapos sa 8. Dito yung ginawa natin, dinistribute lang natin siya para makuha itong isang sagot. Pero pwede na to na isang sagot pa.
And for our second example, we have y is equal to log base 2, 3x squared plus 5. So sabi nga ni Angelo kanina, yung ilalagay lang natin yung 1, and then kukopyahin lang natin to dito with ln2. And then hahanapin natin yung derivative, which is ibababa natin tong 2, ito na siya. So 3 times 2 is x. And then aalisin na natin to kasi nga constant siya. So magiging 6x na siya. So 1 over 3x squared plus 5 ln 2 times 6x. So itong 6x, ililipat na natin siya dito sa 1. So magiging ito na siya. 6x over 3x squared plus 5 ln 2. Yung sabi din ni Angelo kanina, pwedeng ito din yung sagot, which is i-distribute natin siya. Pero kung ayaw nyo naman, pwede na ito yung sagot nyo.
dy over dx 1 over 5x squared 2 plus 4 ln 3 dx over d over dx 5 tapos dito parang ako tapos i-derive mo sa ibaba tapos 5 times 2 is 10 kaya naging 10x tapos ito na siya.
So, ang final answer dito sa example 3 is 10x over 5x squared plus 4 ln 3. Okay. Next naman is we have this reciprocal identities na magagamit natin dun sa trigonometric na logarithmic functions. So we have here yung sine theta is equals to 1 over cosine theta. Next, cosine theta equals 1 over secant theta, and so on and so forth. Next, we have the example 1 for trigonometric function. We have here, find the derivative of y is equals to ln sine x times x cosine times cosine x. Para makuha to, we will be using yung chain rule na d over dx ln u is equals to 1 over u times du over dx. So, i-bring down lang natin or kakopy lang natin yung ln sin x. Tapos, para makuha yung susunod, kunin natin yung derivative ng cosine x, which is negative sin x. And after nyan, i-bring down lang ulit natin or kakopy natin yung cosine x. And then, kukunin naman natin yung derivative ng sin x using this formula. Kaya, magiging 1 over sin x. Kukunin natin yung derivative ng
Sin x.
yan, ng sin x. Kaya magiging 1 over sin x times cosine x kasi bring down lang natin yung cosine x. And after nyan, magiging answer natin is negative sin x ln kasi yung
ito, yung given dito is nilagay natin sa unahan. Tapos ikakopy lang natin itong sin x plus cosine x times 1 over sin x. Kaya magiging cosine x over sin x times, bring down lang ulit yung cosine x. Kaya ang magiging final answer natin ay negative sin x ln sin times x plus cotangent x cosine x. Nakuha yung cotangent x kasi ang answer ng cosine x over sin x is 1 over tan theta. And ang reciprocal ng 1 over tan theta is cotangent theta or cotangent. Kaya meron tayo, or nag-come up tayo sa final answer na ganito.
Example 2. Find the derivative of y equals ln sin x. So, yung example natin ay d over dx equals 1 over sin x divided by d over dx sin x. So, ang kukunin natin is yung u. Kasi bababa rin. Ang derivative ng sin x ay ang anong basa dito? Cosine x. Ang derivative ng sin x ay ang cosine x. Kasi bababa lang natin to, itong 1, tapos yung sin x dito. Kasi multiply natin ng cosine x sa 1. Kaya magiging cosine x, magiging cosine x ito. Kasi 1. Tapos ang
Cosine x over sin x.
cosine x over sin x equals cotangent x. Nakuha yung cotangent x dahil sa reciprocal.
So, third example is find the derivative of y equals ln tan x, tangent x. So, gagamitin natin itong formula na to. d over dx equals 1 over tangent x times d, the derivative of d tangent x, then dx. Then, second step is 1, i-bring down natin tong 1 over tangent x times yung derivative of tangent x is secant squared x. Then, the third step is yung 49 times. Then, the third step is secant, nawala lang yung x dito pero meron na. I-bring down natin yung secant square then over tangent x, then that's it, reciprocal of secant squared over tangent x is cosecant x. So yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you na.